Hey, I'm Brendan.
And I'm Nicole, and we're your hosts of the 2019 BMW TrueNorth VIP Series.
Head over to the BMW TrueNorth website to purchase your VIP card, which will get you access to all these great events, as well as free raffle tickets, free food,
Photo shoots,
and access to discounts from our club sponsors.
Today we're actually at our first VIP event here at Elegant Motoring Protection Center. Come check us out.
My name is David. I'm the owner and founder of Elegant Motoring and Protection Center here in Toronto. We specialize in maintaining and protecting people's prized possessions, from exotics to daily drivers. The things that we do at this shop is customers will bring us their brand new cars that they've saved up for, and basically we make them look better than they did in the showroom. We specialize in protection and using ceramic coatings or paint protection film to seal in the beauty of someone's car. I work with BMW TrueNorth as a sponsor because BMW TrueNorth at the end of the day is the epitome of car clubs. They're well organized, they're charitable, they're enthusiasts through and through, and they give back to the community. They are what I would like all of my clients to be at the end of the day.
All right, that's going to wrap up our very first BMW TrueNorth VIP event. And a huge thanks to David and his team for having us today.
Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Thanks to all of the BMW TrueNorth members for coming out and showing support. We look forward to walking you through some of the different types of protection and services that we offer. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. Elegant Motoring and Protection Center, 416-897-5675.
That's it. And also don't forget, our next VIP event is going to be in June at Eurocharge Canada. So mark your calendars and we're going to see you guys there.